My name is Mohammad Salim. I am a Managing Director of Site Engineering. As of today, we have more than 200 employees with 10,000 square feet factory.
This is auto folder. We do the bending with automatic machine. Cutting joint TDF part. This is CNC lava machine. This is tearing machine.
We make GI duct, PID duct and its all accessories. All the machine in our factory is fully automated CNC control machine.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Saida Maisabuki and I'm the Director of SHALIM Engineering. We are known in the market for quality of service.
Care, people,
quality,
happiness,
Commitment.
customer service.